What is happening, crypto fans? Get ready, because the news cycle is moving at lightning speed, and you absolutely cannot afford to miss what's dropping today on Bitcoin Bulletin. We've got market-shaking moves, strategic plays, and expert predictions that are going to redefine your understanding of where things are headed. Buckle up, because you're about to get the inside scoop on the biggest stories shaping our world right now. First up, we're diving into a major market correction that's got everyone talking. Is this a chance to load up or a sign of tougher times ahead? We've got the details that matter. Next, we're shifting gears to a massive financial maneuver that could reshape the landscape. One company is making a colossal investment, aiming to significantly expand its digital asset holdings. This move is already making waves, and its stock is reacting fast. What does this massive capital infusion mean for the future? Then, we're breaking down the big numbers and expert analysis on where the market is headed. Some of the sharpest minds are weighing in on ambitious price targets, and their findings might surprise you. Are we on track for astronomical gains, or is the reality a bit more grounded? We'll break down the probabilities and the factors at play. And finally, we're looking at the cutting edge of innovation. A significant funding round is set to unlock a new era for enterprise solutions, promising to revolutionize how businesses operate. Get ready for a glimpse into the future of smart contracts and corporate adoption. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for all the latest, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. You won't want to miss a second of this. A buying opportunity amidst the storm. Did Bitcoin just offer a prime chance to buy the dip? The market has seen a significant correction, with prices dipping to around $110,000. This downturn has sparked intense debate among investors and analysts alike. While some see this as a worrying sign of instability, others are viewing this pullback as a crucial buying opportunity, a chance to acquire assets at a more favorable price point before the next upward surge. The question on everyone's mind is whether this dip represents a temporary blip or the beginning of a more sustained downward trend. Understanding the forces at play during these corrections is key to navigating the volatile crypto space. We'll delve into the factors contributing to this price adjustment, examining market sentiment, recent trading volumes, and the broader economic indicators that might be influencing Bitcoin's trajectory. Are we witnessing a healthy market reset, or are there underlying issues that suggest caution? This analysis aims to provide clarity on the current market dynamics, helping you make informed decisions in the face of fluctuating prices. The ability to distinguish between a short-term correction and a significant trend reversal is a hallmark of successful investing, and we're here to help you sharpen that skill. Stay tuned as we break down the data and expert opinions that could shape your investment strategy in the coming weeks and months. The market is always moving, and staying ahead of the curve requires diligent analysis and a clear understanding of the signals. This correction could be a pivotal moment, and we're dissecting every angle to bring you the most comprehensive insights. Now, while some are looking to buy the dip, others are making massive strategic moves to expand their digital asset portfolios. Get ready, because the next story is about a company making a huge financial play. Japan's crypto giant secures massive funding for Bitcoin expansion. A bold financial maneuver is set to redefine a major player's digital asset strategy. Metaplanet, often dubbed Japan's answer to MicroStrategy, has successfully raised an astounding $881 million through an international share sale. This colossal sum is earmarked for significant Bitcoin acquisitions, with the company aiming to bolster its treasury to an impressive 30,000 Bitcoins by the end of the year. As of August 25, 2025, Metaplanet already holds a substantial 18,991 BTC, valued at approximately $2.12 billion. The company plans to deploy a significant portion of the newly raised capital, around $837 million, to purchase Bitcoin throughout September and October of this year. An additional $44 million will be allocated to Bitcoin-related financial activities, signaling a deep commitment to the cryptocurrency's ecosystem. Dylan LeClaire, Metaplanet's Bitcoin strategist, highlighted the company's strong financial position, noting that its Bitcoin reserves far exceed its outstanding bonds, resulting in a remarkable BTC rating of 34.65x. This strategic fundraising underscores Metaplanet's unwavering conviction in Bitcoin as a core treasury asset. The market has responded with enthusiasm. Metaplanet's stock surged by 5.7% on the Tokyo Stock Exchange, reaching 890 JPY. This positive market reaction is further amplified by Metaplanet's recent inclusion in the FTSE index, which has significantly boosted its visibility and trading activity. The company's stock, which had previously experienced some selling pressure, has shown a robust recovery, bouncing back towards the 900 JPY mark. This surge follows market research firm Benchmark's initiation of a report with a 2,400 JPY target price for Metaplanet stock, adding further bullish sentiment. The move signifies a growing trend of traditional companies adopting Bitcoin as a strategic reserve asset, potentially influencing broader market adoption and corporate treasury strategies. But is this aggressive accumulation strategy backed by a universally optimistic outlook on Bitcoin's price? Our next story dives into expert analysis that suggests a much more tempered view on ambitious price targets. Doubts cast on Bitcoin's $200,000 year-end rally. Could Bitcoin really hit $200,000 by the end of the year? According to a new analysis from 10x Research, the odds are extremely unlikely. Experts at the firm have assessed the probability of Bitcoin reaching the $140,000 mark at just 54%, indicating a downward bias for their year-end target. This cautious outlook stems from three key factors. Firstly, they point to a cooling retail demand, evidenced by a significant drop in the buy-sell ratio on platforms like CryptoQuant, which has fallen too, signaling a dominance of sellers. This metric is reminiscent of levels seen during the peak of the 2021 bull run, which was followed by a notable correction. Secondly, the research highlights a potential lack of institutional buying pressure needed to sustain such aggressive price targets. While institutional interest has grown, the scale of inflows required to propel Bitcoin to $200,000 may not materialize within the remaining timeframe. Thirdly, broader macroeconomic conditions, including potential shifts in monetary policy and global economic uncertainty, are seen as headwinds that could dampen speculative asset rallies. The skepticism is echoed by users on prediction platforms like Polymarket, where only 9% believe Bitcoin will reach $200,000, with a more realistic target of $125,000 holding a 71% probability. In contrast, economist Timothy Peterson offers a more optimistic, albeit conditional, forecast, predicting Bitcoin could reach $160,000 by year-end based on historical August to December performance patterns. Peterson notes that in 70% of historical cases, Bitcoin appreciates during this period, with an average return of 44%. However, he cautions that these are guidelines, excluding atypical years like 2017, 2018, 2020, and 2022 due to unique market conditions. At the time of writing, Bitcoin is trading around $111,900, and while the market remains dynamic, these analyses suggest that the path to $200,000 this year might be steeper than many anticipate. While the debate over price targets heats up, a different kind of innovation is poised to make waves in the corporate world. Get ready to explore the next frontier for smart contracts. Hemi Labs secures $15 million to pioneer enterprise smart contracts. The landscape of enterprise solutions is on the cusp of a major transformation, with Hemi Labs securing $15 million in a new funding round. This investment is set to ignite the enterprise smart contract revolution, paving the way for more sophisticated and widespread adoption of blockchain technology within traditional business structures. Hemi Labs is at the forefront of developing innovative solutions that bridge the gap between complex business processes and the efficiency and security offered by smart contracts. Their platform aims to empower businesses to automate a myriad of operations, from supply chain management and financial transactions to legal agreements and data verification, all executed seamlessly and securely on the blockchain. The $15 million infusion will be instrumental in scaling Hemi Labs operations, accelerating product development, and expanding its market reach. This includes enhancing the capabilities of their smart contract development tools, making them more accessible and user-friendly for enterprises that may not have extensive in-house blockchain expertise. Furthermore, the funding will support strategic partnerships and business development initiatives to integrate Hemi Labs technology into various industry verticals, including finance, logistics, healthcare, and manufacturing. The goal is to unlock new efficiencies, reduce operational costs, and enhance transparency for businesses globally. This move signals a significant step forward in the practical application of blockchain beyond cryptocurrencies, demonstrating its potential to revolutionize how companies conduct their day-to-day business. As enterprises increasingly seek robust, secure, and automated solutions, Hemi Labs is positioning itself as a key enabler of this digital transformation, promising a future where smart contracts are an integral part of the corporate infrastructure. And that brings us to the end of today's packed update. Let's quickly recap the biggest stories we covered. That's a wrap on today's essential updates. We saw Bitcoin's correction present potential buying opportunities, Metaplanet secure a massive $881 million for Bitcoin expansion, expert analysis casting doubt on the $200,000 Bitcoin target, and Hemi Labs raising $15 million to drive enterprise smart contracts. Don't miss out on any future developments. Hit that like button if you found this valuable, subscribe to Bitcoin Bulletin for your daily dose of crypto news, and ring the notification bell so you're always the first to know. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and make sure to follow us on all our social channels for real-time updates. See you next time.